Spirit oil furnaces come in 4 configurations, all with Beckett AFG burners. The heavy gauge drum style heat exchanger and ceramic fiber combustion chamber serve to greatly reduce combustion noise associated with expansion and contraction. This design heats up quickly, re-radiates heat back into the fire, providing more complete combustion, and cools down quickly after the burner shuts down. The heavy-duty powder-coated cabinet provides a durable, tough finish that will ensure long life and a quality appearance. Full cabinet foil-faced high-density fiberglass insulation reduces heat loss and reduces noise. Furnaces have dual cleanout ports and are air conditioning ready, 3.5 to 5 tons. Spirit oil furnaces include a limited lifetime warranty on the heat exchanger to the original owner and a 5-year parts warranty.